Finish him!
Yo, it's your boy, Bob Beast 37. Today I'm about to install these window rain guards that I ordered. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's pretty simple, but you gotta be careful. So let's get to it. You go to rain guards right here. They're called Wellvisors. And see, that's what it look like. I get my package. Go from there. Here they are right here. Excuse the sun, but you know, had to get out and do it today. It's been getting a lot of rain and snow past 2 weeks, so had to get out and do it. So you got a 3M tape on the back of them, the logo. So yeah, they look pretty good. Let's get them on. So the first thing I'm gonna do, to get this little alcohol pad. You gotta use this pad to clean the windows or the outer edges of it. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. Yeah, and get this fiber rag. Make it more easier to dry, faster to dry. So. The windows and hit the rain guards so we can get them placed perfectly. Let's get it. So now they all should be cracked like this, so the rain guards can be placed perfectly. First off, we just want to peel the corners, just the corners of the 3M tape. Now we get ready to install this thing. I'm gonna pull these out real slowly so you don't tear the 3M tape off the car. Got one on. Gotta get the other 3 rain guards on, and then we'll come back to the finished product. And there you have it. It's finally done. I'm very satisfied with it. All I gotta do is repeat the same steps for the front to the rear windows. That's the company, Wellvisors again. Give them a big shout out. And that's all. Let's do it. Like, subscribe, share, tell your family. Subscribe to the Bob Beast 37. We out. Y'all stay safe.